Today we're going to make Chinese BBQ pork in the air fryer. A quarter of a cup Shaolin wine, 3 tablespoons soya sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, a quarter of a cup hoisin sauce, quarter of a cup honey, a quarter of a cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon spice powder, 3 garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder. This is just to give the red color. It's optional. You can use red food coloring or any other food coloring that you like. And mix the ingredients together. We're going to use this for the marinade. So we have 1.5 kilo of pork neck. We're going to cut it into portions that will fit in the air fryer. Measure it. Pour the marinade into the bag. Just be careful not to spill it. Just mix it properly and leave it in the fridge overnight. Just make sure it covers everything. After we marinate it overnight, we're going to put it in the air fryer. First, we need to pour boiling water just to cover the holes. Place the meat in the air fryer. Going to do it in 2 batches. Pour half the sauce in the saucepan and freeze the rest for next time. Air fry at 180 for 3 minutes and baste it with sauce at 5 minutes interval. Use the sauce on low heat while the meat is in the air fryer. To char it up, we're going to air fry it further for 10 minutes at 200 degrees and baste it at 5 minutes interval. Now that it's cooked, we're going to check the internal temperature. It's about 71 degrees. We let it rest for 5 minutes or so before we start slicing.